Hello everybody, Jim Glay here again from Crash Boom Bam. Today we're going to feature a drum called the Slingerland Student Model. At one point it was referred to as the Slingerland Radio King Student Model. The Slingerland executives did all they could to associate Radio King with any drum that they were going to sell, and they did it with this particular drum. This drum was first introduced in 1948. It was actually meant for hobbyists and students who didn't have the money to afford a Radio King. It's really not a Radio King at all. It looks entirely different than a Radio King, and the shell construction is entirely different. That's not to say that it's in any way a cheap drum, it's just less expensive than a Radio King. So let's look at this drum. There are some very real differences between this drum and a Slingerland Radio King. First of all, the shell is a 3-ply maple shell. It still has the maple reinforcing ring, but it's not a steam bent solid shell. The snare wires are plastic end, unlike the Radio King, which has metal ends. The strainer is a D673. It is not a Radio King strainer. It works perfectly well, but it's a much cheaper strainer. The hoops are not engraved, and they're held in with clips. The badge indicates the drum is from 1960. In any case, it's still a very nice drum, so let's see what it sounds like. When I play, you'll see it's a very nice sounding drum, so let's give this a whirl. All in all, a very, very nice drum despite its humble origins. If you'd like to see more and hear more, kindly go to vintagedrumsandmore.com. Until then, keep swinging.